Hi guys, um, we have 2179 MacBook Air. This is the motherboard. Customer said no power, and no power from our charge indicator line. There is no indicator to show if it is actually 5 volts power issues or not. Because let's test here. You can see there is no indication here. There is no indication here. I check on the next port. There is no indication here also. So it means we are having issues on our DC in. We are having issues on our DC in. So how do we check this? We have to check for possible shorts on the DC in. So I place it on the flare camera. Sorry for on our flare camera. Now we are checking first on our camera to see if there is any possible shorts here or error, but none. So how do we do this now? Like I told you, this is the DC in. This is where the charging line comes in. From here it goes into the CD 3215 32, the charging controllers, the USB-C controllers. So we are going to be looking at, from the microscope here, we are going to be looking at the DC in from the connector. This is the connector. Now from our board view, this is what we are going to be looking at here. We'll be checking on D3302 followed with D3322. These are the two chips responsible for the DC in. These are the two chips responsible for the DC in from the charging line. So now, before you can conclude or you can confirm this, you have to check for possible bridge or short on these lines. On these lines. Go take this call. Okay, let me just call him back. So you're gonna check on the DC lines. So what we're gonna do here now is these are caps. I call them caps. C3302. These are caps. These are the caps surrounding this D3302. So also here also. Hello, sir. Grace. Hello, sir. Yes, sir. I don't have it. This one will be final like this. I don't know. All mainly for this heavy duty systems. That should have about 100 or something thousand. Complete maybe I think maybe 170, yeah. Not 170 150. For the original one. So we're back. So we have these caps also are responsible for the performance. So what we're going to do now is to check for possible shorts on all these caps that I just mentioned now. Now my meter is set on continuity. So now we have to be confirming from the caps here. This is shorted. This is shorted. Now from our here should be giving us PP 20 volts USB-C V boost. Now you can check here now. Yeah, we're having short here. Let's check here. Here we should be, here's a ground line. Okay, so this is the ground line is here, so we are going to test it for this. So we are having short also. So automatically our PP 20 volts USB-C is shorted. So what we are going to be doing now, we are going to be injecting voltage. We are going to be injecting voltage on the line. So I don't want to inject high voltage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop my voltage to, let's just say 1 meter, 1 volt, 1.5 volts. Yeah, because that should be a 20 volts in. So remember what I said. We are going to be injecting voltage from here. You're going to be injecting voltage from here. So I have placed my board on the flight camera. So I put the voltage pointer on that particular lines. Okay, so I just tapped. So what we are having here is short on, we're having short on D3322. So now remember I said here also, I said we can also inject the voltage from here also. We can also inject the voltage from here. So let's also inject the voltage from here also to confirm if it's actually that particular shape. So I put again on this line. So I put again on this line, and I'm having a short from here also. So what we're going to be doing now is we are going to remove the two chips to be very sure of what is going on. So I will be removing this for this T3322 first. I'll be removing 3302 first, which is this. I'll be removing this first. So let's confirm. Sorry. Okay, so I'll remove this. Let me see if I have shorts still there. I'm no more having short on the line. So let's check on here. Do we have shorts here? We are having shorts here. So it simply means the two lines is damaged. So let's remove the second one also. Okay, so we've removed the two. You're still having short present. No more shorts. No more shorts. So it's the on diode mode. Let's check on diode mode. 0.32. So we are going to be replacing the chip. Let's check from our donor boards. We are going to be taking it out from here. We're going to be taking it out from our M series board. So you have the positive line to be like this. So it's going to be like this. So so we're going to be allowing it to cool off. Let's confirm if we still have short present on the lines again. No short here. No short here. On diode mode. On diode mode we have 0.96. Let's confirm here. On diode mode we have 0.96. Okay, so let's check. First, let's connect the charging port. We get the charger. Let's get the charger and see what we have. Do we have light on our indicator? Okay, so here you can see we have light and the system is up. You can see the system is up now. So let's check the first port. Okay, so you can see on the first port also, look at it here. This is the first port and this is the second port. So the two lines are working. So we're going to couple and do the final testing. Remember, we replaced the two chips. These are the two chips we replaced. These are the two chips we replaced. So this two is damaged. So actually this issue should be from a wrong charger. The wrong charger can lead to this. So we're going to couple it now and do the final confirmation. So hold on, keep watching. We're going to couple it and do the final testing. Hello guys, so after coupling, so we're going to test now. You can see there's the same board, so we've coupled it now. So let's put the system on charge. Okay, so we have power, you can see here 0.652, 0.78, now 1 point something, 1.3, 1.4 shows that the system is charging. Shows that the system is charging. Now you can see here we have power on the system back. So we have solved this problem. So we'll call the client for pickup. So keep subscribing to HGS Assist for more upload. Thumbs up on this. So we'll call the client for pickup. Ready, cover.